In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes on Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to enhance your productivity, understanding how to use the notes feature effectively can significantly streamline your daily tasks. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce, open your preferred internet browser and type in the Salesforce URL, or simply click through your bookmark if you have it saved for quick access. Once there, you'll notice a login button on the top right corner. Hover over this area to begin the login process. Now select the Salesforce option. It's a straightforward step, but make sure you're selecting the right environment where your account and data reside. Once you've made your selection, it's time to log in with your username and email credentials. Enter those details accurately, and then hit enter to access the Salesforce platform. After logging in, your next move is to adjust some settings. Look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Here you'll see the quick settings menu. Click on it to reveal more settings options. This is where you'll find the pathway to smoothly manage and configure additional features, including the notes feature. Next, click on the open advanced setup. This may sound a bit technical, but don't worry. It's simply an entryway to more detailed options that allow you to tailor Salesforce to better suit your needs. This is where you can access a variety of features that enhance your Salesforce experience. Once you're inside the advanced setup, locate the quick find box. This is a handy search tool that allows you to quickly locate different settings and features without having to scroll endlessly. Type in the word notes into this search bar. This step is crucial as it will direct you to the note settings section. Upon arrival in the note settings, click on it to access the options for configuring notes. Here, you'll see a checkbox option to enable the notes feature. Make sure to check this box if it isn't already. Enabling notes will allow you to start creating and attaching notes to your records, making it easier to track important information related to your tasks and projects. Finally, after enabling the notes option, don't forget to hit the save button. This step is essential to ensure that all the adjustments you've made take effect. Saving your settings guarantees that your Salesforce environment is now configured to allow the use of notes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and enabled notes in Salesforce. Feel free to explore this feature and integrate it into your everyday workflow, making task management more efficient and organized. Thank you for watching and happy note taking.